I took the kids to school this morning, but I had been looking for a first touch rule and I didn't take it because my Stokes didn't line up right. And I was just going to leave it on. And because I would have left it on and not trailed by hand, I would have not done well. So I was happy that I didn't just take a trade to take a trade. But then a lot of people at about 7:15-ish probably took that 16 tick rule almost to the 200. And would have done pretty well. And that's what I was looking for, actually, when I left the computer at 6:19, that little jump up. But I was looking for the trade exactly that happened at 7:15, but I wasn't back yet. So that's probably the one we looked at taking, Brian.
All right.
Yep.
Like it. I am still long, guys. Last anyone still long? $350. My entry is $299. My stop is at $350 right now. Stops at $350. Let's see, we are open for business, guys. Let's get ready to rock and roll. I'm still long. My stop's moving up now to 87. I'm sorry, 67. Stay in there. Going to be flat. All right, guys, no trading for the first 6 minutes. Those of you newer with us, please make sure that if you are trying to trade, do it on simulator or paper trade. If you're on trial, your job is to pay attention, listen, ask questions, participate. We are here to help answer your questions. Once you get off your trial and start your membership, you will get access to our basic training videos and all our trade setups so that you are able to start learning the setups we're talking about today. You'll hear some funny words come out of our mouth, like first touch rule, things like that. You'll figure out what that is. Everybody has their daily plan. We are 1 minute into the open, and some of us are still long. But those of you newer, do not trade in the first 6 minutes. If you're not in the trade and making money already, do not trade. Stay out. First 6 minutes. Please and thank you. Again, keep in mind the trend is up. We are going to patiently wait for a pullback, hopefully right around 936 to buy. If you're looking for comedic relief this morning, I am not your person. Okay, I might tell a joke. Those of you who got back in around the 350 level before the open, go ahead and squeeze it up a little bit. I did not get my contract filled, so I've got that one still hanging in there. And I'm going to go to 3, looks like, go to 380. 280, sorry. What's wrong with me? $380. $380. We're gonna wait for a pullback. First, let's get past the first 6 minutes. We just got a couple minutes left. Let things shake out. Some of us were already in a trade, so we're just trailing. Tick started high, guys. Be aware that we could see a push down. Go ahead and adjust that up to 385. Will Trade, are you still in this with me? Good. deal. Oh, you were just in this with me if you followed my stops. And 6 minutes are almost up, guys. Looks like we could be getting a first touch rule here. So let's wait for a reason to jump in. Don't just jump in the trade. Just be aware the plan could be to push it down this morning before bringing it up. Get a hook on the stochastics, guys. You could probably go in long. Just be patient. There it is. Again, keep in mind they could be pushing it down. So look for our volatility number. And again, we are in a position where we could be in a two-way trading day. So make sure to keep track of your ranges, guys. Know where the highs and lows are in the near term throughout the day. Look for that range to be formed. What else do you want me to tell you? If you took the 16 tick rule buy signal, you should be taking some profits right now. Who is in this? Who got back in this? We're out at 9:36. We did it again. Good job, guys. Way to go. Make a little money off the open. Not horrible. Lock in some profits. My stop's now 370 for my leading contract. $381. I have two contracts, so got one at 381, one at 370. No loose trade. Hold on to it, guys. Let's go a couple more ticks up. If it breaks this previous high, guys, we're going to move our stops up a little bit more. Anybody following my stops? Let me ask that question. Power exit at this point. You guys following them? All right, Sloan. Okay, guys. Oh, hey, how about that? People actually do listen to me. Well, at home, nobody listens to me, so you guys do at least. All right, let's go up a couple more ticks. I'll get a couple more ticks. I'm assuming most of you only have one contract left. So let's get 84 locked in. 85 now. Those of you one contract, you could probably, actually, I'll do it as well. Let's go up to 92, 392. We broke the previous high, so let's eke it up just a little bit more. We are in a little bit of area of resistance, so we don't give back too many profits. Let's get above that. We're gonna go to 401. 401. Leave it. $401 and leave it. Trade signal against us, so some of you guys can probably get flat if you didn't just get flat. You get two, if you have a contract left still, keep it trailing further behind. Give it room to run. Wasn't a bad target. If you look at the 2-minute high previously, and you really want to be in a trade and you're more experienced, and if this develops to be a flag, you could do a flag entry with low risk. Like buy stop around the 419-ish. That would give me a little more risk than I want, but you'd be profitable right now. I'm using the issues, Tara, 419-ish. So anybody got back in the trade, let me know. Could have done that pretty easy there, guys. We are going higher. Yep, that's what I was saying, guys. You could take in a bull flag entry. Good job. Lock in your profits. Those of you who re-entered on this bull flag, take your profits. Get your stop up just above the bull flag, so you're guaranteed a couple ticks. Leave it there. Let's give yourself another reason to scoot it up. Those of you who are with me, my last contract is at 412 now. Those of you just in, probably want to use 423 as your stop. Give yourself about 5 or 6 ticks of profit there. Let it decide if it wants to bounce off that R2 or not. R1, sorry. Just keep a couple ticks locked in. Good trade, guys. Good job. Good job, Tim. One left. Me too. Good job, Will Trade. It's amazing. Almost every day we get a perfect setup between 6 and 7 minutes after the open. It's crazy. All right, we'll trade. My last one is now at 424, 421, sorry. You still with me, Will Trade? Anybody still in this? 421's a stop. No matter where you got in at. Nice, guys. Nice, Hugo. 421's a stop, no matter where you got in at, guys. Oh, wow. Everybody's making money this morning. This is going to be a runner. We got, what do we get? 99. Let's see. 73 to, we're almost there. I mean, 26 away from another runner. Off the open. Get ourselves a 100-tick runner. That's it. Love it. Keep on trailing. All right. Keep on trailing, guys. $434 is my stop now. $434. I'm going to use the R1 in just a second. All right, R1's the stop. 444. Good 70 points locked in. We're good to go. Let it play out. Move it up now. If you have two contracts, you're going to be taking profits here soon on one. You should be. All right, guys, get down to 480. Sorry, 460. What can I see this morning? 460. If you got one contract, make sure to lock in some profits. 460. It's coming back down now. Oh, don't get my last contract. Come on. All right, Will, I'm pulling that last one up to 447. Guys, I'm trying to call stops for people who entered trade late and stops for people who were in at a lower level. So please keep that in mind. Nope, I am following the chart patterns. Glenn, on the 133 chart trader, using chart trader on the 133, following the patterns. All right, it's gonna be a 100-point winner here. We got it. We'll trade. You're still in with me, right? All right. Good deal. Hey, you guys could have done the bounce off the R1 level there as a re-entry. Either way, guys, this has been a pretty darn good trade off the open. We'll trade. I'm locking in a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I've got my at least 80, 90 points in. I'm going to go to 458. 458. Love it. We are off to the races. First trade of the morning after the open. Evidently, some of you guys we had 3 positive. Terry, you guys made money on the first trade this morning. 3 trades today, all green. Nice little good profitable trades.
Yeah, but this one, Brian, was the one.
This one?
This was a good one. Yeah.
This was a good one. Hopefully everybody got in or re-entered on the bounce.
If you'll notice, all the ticks have been above 0.
Yep. So once it didn't break 0, guys, the sell programs were over. So we are probably not looking for it to push down much right now. Guys, look for the volatility number. Look for where previous resistance was. Not seeing a lot right now. So this could go to we could get our
Grandma's resistance.
We could get there pretty easily, guys. If we want to hold on for it, we'll trade. I'll hold for it, man. If you guys didn't re-enter, sorry you're not in the trade. We'll trade. Let's scoot this up a little bit. Go ahead and lock in 100 points. 474 is literally going to be my stop because that locks in 100 points for me no matter what. So that is not very logical reasoning, but I'm doing it just so I have 100 points. Anybody re-entered, you can use 474 as well.
And Grandma's number will be the volatility number too.
How about that?
Imagine,
Amazingly enough. Isn't that amazing?
oh, I'm dyslexic. It's 522, not 552. Sorry.
You do realize that it doesn't mean that you're dyslexic. It just means that you don't know how to count.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's upside down dyslexic, Wilbur. Like
Yeah, it's supposed to be 552.
But I think you put them upside down.
I stay upside down.
2 instead of 5.
Let's make up some words this morning. What are we gonna do?
I came out upside down and backwards.
Isn't that how every baby comes out? Head first. You know, you come out of a pool head first when you're born, and all these people jump into pools head first and break their necks. And I'm like, what? Doesn't make any sense. That's how you got out of it. That was dumb. Sorry. All right, let's lock in some more points. This is a good trade, guys. 485. Anybody who's still in with me? 485 is the stop. Who is in? Nice job, guy. Nice job, Chanel.
But 522 is the volatility number. I was right about that much.
All right, 522 or bust. Here we go. 165 points off the open. We can take it. Good trade, guys. We got to think of, all right, we're going to do a new song for who wants, somebody said they wanted Top Gun song.
Take my breath away. I don't think so, Tim.
Take my breath away. We can do it. Hey guys, we're still trailing. Let's move this up a couple more ticks. We're going to go to, I don't know, 495. All right. No, let's keep moving it. 500. Stop at 500. Heck yeah. Loving this. This is officially. There you go, Tim. All right, we're never doing that again for a runner. Never doing that again for a runner. We got to pick a different song. We got to pick a different song, guys. This is a good one. Any flag reentry, guys, you guys could have taken. You could have done this one too. It's a little late for that, but you probably get 10 ticks. You could do a flag reentry. Any little flag you can re-enter on. You could have. You had several opportunities to do it, guys. All right, this is where we're going to start hitting some resistance. So let's squeeze our stops up a little bit more here. I'm going to go to 510. You know what? Actually, forget it. If you're following me and you're still in there, we'll trade some of you guys. Let's go ahead and attach this to the mid-Bollinger and call it a day. What do you guys think? How many contracts do you guys have left? Mid-Bollinger's close enough. How many? One. Mid-Bollinger should keep us going right at about, interestingly enough, we're pretty darn close to the ATR of the mid-Bollinger. It's a little further away than I want it to be, but we should be fine. Nice job, Chris. Done for the day. One trade. Love it. Hey, guys, this is the only trade we need today. Every time Coach walks away, we get a runner. Home run runner. This is nuts. We don't scalp. We take runners only. Again, those of you on trial, ask questions. Let me know. Ask questions, guys. I will. Again, great job, Chris. Chanel, you're still in. I'm assuming. Sloan, you're still in. Bab. Craw.
We officially hit grandma's number.
Good job, guys. Sloan's one. One's in. No, I wouldn't enter now. You had to bounce off the R1 you could have re-entered on. You had a flag. The bottom of it was around the 485 level. You could have re-entered on another little flag. Around the 502 level, you could re-enter on. We just hit resistance. Rad, who was it that asked me that? Rad. Do you really want to re-enter long at resistance? That's the question I have for you. Do you really want to re-enter long at a resistance level? A rat is no. So give yourself a reason. If you re-entered here and put a stop below this little retracement, you probably will get stopped out because we are at resistance. So you don't have to take a lot of risk on it, but you'll probably get stopped out if you re-entered. Whereas this is pretty much where the mid-Bollinger has her stop at anyway. So 928. I am flat. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Hugo is now short. I didn't get an arrow, Hugo. Did you get an arrow? I did not get an arrow. Oh, you shorted the level. Okay. All right. Private message me when you get an arrow so I can see if this thing's working right for me, please. So you're shorting against the trend, rad. Hugo can do that. He has a pro level. Okay, hopefully you made a couple ticks on that. With a trade like that, guys, good job, Brad. Done for the day. Be done for the day. Yeah, you just text me. You need to be done for the day. Good job, young Fab. Hey, yeah, we got you done for the day on the first trade after the open. 3 great positive trades this morning. If you took coaches short, you would have made some money on that as well. I am not doing counter trend since I don't have somebody to go against me and yell at me. Deciding we got several gavel hits. I have a gavel this morning. Good job, everybody that's done for the day. Shut your computers down, switch to sim. Make sure that you keep your profits. Don't be tempted to go back to the well here. Remember, we did say this could be a two-way trading day. We don't know that yet, as it looks like we're pushing higher. I'm going to nibble one long right now. Just because we had all the profits we had. Not going to take a lot of risk on this. Just one little tiny one. Got 2 or 3 ticks profit right now, so probably done. I'm not. I slow it down to one little contract and that's it. All right, no loose trade now. Let's see. I would not be taking a long trade right now, guys. If I were you, wait for a little pullback. We just had a did we just, Coach Wilbur, hit the volatility number, right? Ish. To the tick almost.
Yeah, Brian, I think 190 we might have hit
Yeah.
in our last run. But right on up to grandma's, to the big resistance.
Guys, I'll tell you what my resistance level for the day is. See if I can nail it one more time. What do you guys think? My number for the day it was, anybody want to know it? Nobody wants to know it? You want to know it? Anybody? 714. My number for the day. So there you go. Guys, if you have any IT help, ask in the room. Go to the off-topic chat. If you need IT help in any form, fashion, or manner, log into the main website. There's a chat bubble in the bottom right-hand corner. Ask your question, and we will try to make sure we find somebody that's going to help you out of your IT nightmares. Okay. Obviously, members of the room, if you can help with the IT questions or any issues people are having, go to off-topic chat. Do that. We're going to sit and patiently wait for this to come back down. We're going to look for a pullback here, guys. We should be able to do the this morning. We should be able to do the stochastic game. Let stochastics get to a good low point. We're going to look for those smooth roller coasters down and up. These jagged lines we're going to try to stay away from in the stochastics. Look for the smooth ones. Those will be your best entry points for the morning. I am slowing my trading down, especially after that big winner we had off the open. So far, 4 for 4 today on the trades. If you're on a trial, please ask questions. Now is your time to ask questions. Participate, observe. Keep in mind, we're not trading every 5 minutes. We are a patient group of traders waiting for specific trade setups. And we jump in and execute when we do see those trade setups. So your jobs right now is you should constantly be scanning your charts. Think about this. You need to be looking at your 60-minute. If you haven't already looked at your daily and have an idea of the high and the low for the day, you should have done that. You've got you should have lines there. You should be looking at your 60-minute chart, have your support and resistance lines on it. Look for another guys right now. Again, one of the things you could do is pull up your 60-minute, go look back in time, look for an area or a level above where we're at right now that we could actually get to possibly. If it doesn't get there, it doesn't get there, but at least you have an idea that says, if we break this high again, what are you going to do? You're going to expect it to go to the next level. Look for it now. You should be doing that. Look at your 15-minute chart. Consult the areas where prices move sharply on your 15-minute chart. Have a plan for if it does that, what you want to do. Go to your 2-minute chart. We did get a sell signal on the 2-minute parabolic, 2-minute chart, stochastics hooking down. You should be scanning all of your charts right now to prepare yourself for, if this happens, what will be the next thing that I do. My plan is wait for some really smooth stochastic lines on the 133, and I'd like to see the market get oversold a little bit more. We are narrowing into a range right now. And what's going to happen, guys? Tell me, you guys know exactly what's going to happen. Should you be trading right now? Answer that question. Should you guys be trading? Look at the charts and tell me if you think that a viable trade is on the chart right now. No spyglass. No. Good. Yeah. No, guys. Your big M? Where's the big M at? That's consolidation. If it were a big M, this last leg would have broken the low. Yes. Good question. Is this too long for a flag? This goes into the area of consolidation now, guys. So what should you be thinking? You should be thinking, if I'm antsy and I want to trade, you should be thinking one or two things. You look back at this last support level around the R1 level, around what was a low there. So you could put a limit. You could put a bid in at 450. Sorry. Put a 445 bid. You could have a bid to buy, a limit order to buy at 440. What did I say? 445. You could do a breakout on the top of the range. You could do a buy stop there. That's a little bit more risky. So you want to start thinking through what you're going to do. I don't like to play that squeeze play trade where we're putting buy stops on top and below the range very often, especially in a range like this. After a run like that, you want to see it get a little bit more range bound before you start doing that. In my opinion, that's just me. I'm more conservative. Some people probably did go long here. I'm flat. What did that say? Chanel, what did I say that you're saying seriously to? I mean, you could do that. If it breaks, yeah, what was that high? If it breaks, 556, you could go long. Know that that's going to have a little bit more risk in it. You're, all right, fine. I'll do a buy stop at 556. Show you guys how risky this trade is. So you're already taking heat if you were in this trade. Thank goodness I switched to sim just in time, not giving my cash back. Get where I'm coming from? Who asked that question? Paul, you see where I'm coming from now? Yeah, you want to be very conservative after a run like that. Thank you, Chanel. If you took the small W, you were in profits, right, Monica? So you could have done the small W. I like that. That's a really good thought process, Monica. The W there would have worked out and you would be in profits right now. That's a trade you could have taken. Okay. But again, that's good. That's good to look at. That's something that you need to know, you need to see, and that's a good trade to be in. You would have taken profits. You'd be in profits. Even if you took the midpoint of the W, you're well into profits now. Again, so think about it like this, guys. So even though I switched to sim and took the trade, I'm in profits now. But your stop had to start at what? Somewhere around 521. So a 35-point stop. It's just not something that I'm, want to start with. I'm more conservative than that. Even though I am long now. So if anybody that took that trade, you had to have your stop down here. You are long again. And what's the next level we're looking for then? Take profits. Did anybody do that? Even though it was silly. 714 is quite a bit of ways. All right, guys. Look at your charts. Tell me where your next area would be. $642. 642. So lock in profits. Take a contract off. So you test stuff like this, guys. After you make a big gain like that, switch to sim and say, okay, if I did this, and put the order in sim. That way you can start thinking through trades. You can test these things on sim. If you have a thought process, okay, if I did a buy stop above wherever, and I had my sell stop below the low of that little range that got made, what would happen? Or you could have been quick like Monica and identify the W and been in well before this and trailing and selling. Is somebody doing the dishes? I believe so. So my cleaning lady just showed up and she decided to start in my office where I'm working. Sounds like the silliest thing possible. So if we're still trailing on the trade, Terry, can you jump on the mic? I think I'm having a speaker issue here. Somebody? Wilbur?
Yeah, sure, Brian.
Oh, okay. That's perfect. Never mind. All right. Thank you. All right. You guys hear me playing and fine. I put my headset on just in case this lady decides to start vacuuming right behind me. HD. I put my headset on. I hate wearing the headset, but here we go.
You
HD
sound good, though.
quality. we have HD quality now. We're going to Dolby. We're going to Dolby surround sound soon. I'm kind of wishing I was in cash on this trade now. Silliness. Not really. We had a good trade before. No point in like. I mean, this is still kind of the same area of resistance, guys. Keep that in mind. This could almost look like if it takes a sharp turn down, we could have like a little fake out breakout to the downside. And just trailing along on this little crazy sim trade I did. We're going to go to 579 with this. All right, so guys, think about it like this. This could be a little flag entry. If you really, really wanted to be in trade again, I would caution to be saying keep your green. You could take the breakout now long, and your stop would have to go to, what is that, 581, 580. Stop would have to go at 580. So if you're long now,
take some profits. If you guys really want to be in trades, you got to think through it rationally. This is an easy, rational trade to take. You're not taking a lot of risk. Don't blame me if you lose money on the trade. Should already have some profits in the bank. Take a contract off. Making that happen. Okay. Who went long there? I just told you guys you could do that. Good job, Mike V. Good job, Tim. All right, guys. Good job. Take profits. Don't expect a lot of headway on the north side. This will be a scalp trade for you. Treat it as a scalp trade. Once you get into profits, get your stop up to guarantee profits. Treat it as a scalp trade. Okay, guys, that's enough trading. Let's wait. Let the market figure out what it wants to do. There is a counter trend sell signal now. Not telling you to take it, just letting you know there is a counter trend sell signal. Those of you authorized could have taken it. Again, I'm staying with the trend, being a good boy till coach gets back. Let's think about it, guys. All right. Nice job, Stuart. Have a good day. Looking for a 1030 reversal. Nut lunch. Take my breath away. I kind of want to hear it again, Tim. Got it in my mind. It's all right. I got in your head first. Beat you to the punch on that, buddy. So what's the first thing we might want to look for? Maybe a pullback to where? Since we're talking about that. 552. 523. I did just exactly what Wilbur just did. Look for a first touch rule pullback. I told you guys exactly what I'm looking for. Looking for a clean, smooth, stochastic move that has a clean hook, and I will re-enter at that point. Let it pull down. If you're an aggressive, you're really up for the day, you want to do a counter trend M, you can do it. You know where your stop's got to be. Your stop's got to be 611-ish, like 615 has to be your stop. So if you really want to take a counter trend short, you could do it. I'm going to wait for the pullback. This could be the 1030 reversal as well. Ticks just broke below zero a couple minutes ago. I will stick to my plan. You guys can choose to or not to. So if you're choosing to follow your coach's plan here, then you're going to wait for a what? Smooth, stochastic swing on the 133. 2 minutes still way overbought. We are ticks away from my level. Remember, we just bounced off grandma's resistance level for the day. Patience. While we do that, I will find a song for our runner. Who got 100 points? Who got at least 100 points out of that trade we did earlier? Several, few people did, right? All right, here we go. This is a better song for the runners, I think. Nope. A little better song, I think, here for our runners. It's kind of ominous. I don't think we should use that either. All right. I like it, Glenn. Born to run. That's why you get stopped out so early, Tim, because you can only run so far. Good job, John. Is everybody green this morning? Everybody should be green this morning. We just had one easy trade after the open for you late people. One easy trade prior to the open for you for you early people. Everybody should be freaking green this morning. Easy and green. Chad is red. All right, Chad. How many ticks do you need? Hulk green. Love it, Team Slayton. I'm Hulk green as well this morning. I'm super happy about it. If you did the counter trend short, take your profits. 60 ticks. All right. We got some work to do, buddy. Chad, I want you to start using the hook on stochastics. Get back to that 16 tick rule trade. Keep you green, buddy. Good job, guy. So is Chad the only rehab person? Chad's the only rehab person we have here. If you're private messaging me, guys, it's going to have to wait. I am a one-man show this morning, so trailing that counter trend. I'm at 550 on my trailer for the counter trend trade. It's all right, Jay. Be patient. Wait for a good long. Look, yeah, this could be. So what do we want? What did I say? What are we looking for? We're looking for smooth stochastic. So we had a smooth ride down on stochastics. Looking for smooth hook up before jumping in too early. Confirm yourself. Make sure that you can confirm. There should be a long signal. Take some profits. Here we go. Good job, guys. You guys got that right. Jay, especially Chad and Jay. Chad, please tell me you got in. First touch rule long. Look at the stochastics. Easy trade. Chad. Good job, guys. You guys are getting this. Easy trading here. It's okay. 10 ticks is positive, Jay. You made money. Take one off. Make sure that your stops are past break even or at least break even. Again, we could still be looking at 1030 reversal here happening. Be a little bit more conservative. Guys, we've made a ton of money this morning so far. We want to keep it. Make sure you got your stops, a couple ticks in a profit. And another buy signal. Don't want to get us in a position where we're over trading. Okay, Chad. Guys, remember, we are starting the new schedule this week. Everybody keep that in mind. Any questions that you have on learning, whatever, if you're this trade, take profits. Take a contract off. Guarantee yourself profits on it. My stop is now at 43. Locking in 2 ticks of profit. Took a contract off already. Anybody in this one? Good job, Sloan. Make sure to take profits, guys. Bill got in at 50. 50 is a little late to be getting in that trade, Bill. 50 is just too late. Remember, you're looking down the barrel of what could be a 1030 reversal. We've reached grandma's high of the day. At this point, what did I say, guys? You should look at these trades as what kind of trades? What did I say you should look at them as? Look at your tick chart. Scalp trades. Yes, thank you. And have I been correct? Or am I just saying stuff? All right. Maybe listen, guys. I'm telling you, listen and give you good advice. I need Tara to come on and help me commentate. We got to make up some words, Tara.
Yes. I make up words really well.
He's running out of breath, Tara. He's running out of breath.
Hey, look at the dragons. Look at the does anyone have the 1 minute chart up? Let me see if I see it on the 2 minute too.
I do. You know I do.
Well, we reached support on the 2 minute, a little support.
Let's go to the 2 minutes since everyone has that on there, because you get the workspaces once you, right? So look at your 2 minute, and if you go back to 10 o'clock exactly and draw a dragon snout, guys. Take a line.
A wedge.
It's a wedge. That's all it is. We just, I make up, yeah, I make up names for things because I kind of make fun of things, but
I love it.
If you draw that wedge right there, or our dragon snout, we like to say, wow, that's all I can say is it works, right? It broke that wedge and it went up, right? So our dragon snout is one of the fun things we like to talk about. I would say it works like 80% of the time, but I don't have a good stat on it.
Yeah, you're taking a breakout.
Yeah, it's a breakout. That's all it is. It's a consolidation into a tight range, and that's what it is. So. Market's trying to decide, isn't it, a little bit?
Yeah. You think about it, we've reached some major institutional levels already this morning. So expect the market to get into creeper mode, and it'll be taking pictures of you and your wife as a creeper. Seriously, don't expect a lot. Expect it to do what Tim says every time. Just move to the right for a little while.
Brian can't hear you well. I can hear Brian really well, Paul M. So anyone else having trouble hearing Brian?
Hello. we have ESPN.
I have never had a problem hearing Brian.
I used to call Brian the voice before I met him, and he I called him the voice.
The voice.
You
did call me the voice.
Beautiful voice. I'd be like the voice. Sharon, my friend who is trading.
That's Gene Watson, the voice.
We say, I wonder who the man is behind the voice. And
He's looking like a man.
Then I met him, and now I call him something else. No,
you call me handsome.
More respect. Oh well, except I don't want. I want to be polite, but yes, very handsome, and he has a great voice. And then I met him, and I was like, wow, there's the man behind the voice.
And he actually knows what he's talking about.
Oh la la, and he does. Yep. Order filled. Oops, I got another order filled on that other machine over here.
We are long, guys.
And I am long. And that is a W potentially. It's just like we're so high. I feel, boy, don't they want to take more profit? But we hit the bottom of that consolidation to the left, right? And so far we bounced off that, which was an FTR as well.
Yep.
So, I mean, even our 2 minutes hooked right now, not below. We never got oversold, but yet we hooked. So I don't know. I'm long.
Yep. I took the 15 range buy signal, the 16 tick rule. So I am long on that, guys. So Chuck, who was it in that got in at 550? Now you got your profits. Good job, guy. I'll give you a gavel for that. Good job.
That sounded like a crab cracker knocking on wood there, Brian. You say gavel. It was like this.
Is that better?
I'm trailing. I'm going to make up songs for us.
Oh, should become Sail Away. That's a runner song.
Sail Away. Yeah, but that's kind of come sail away. That sounds like disco-ish from. What about that one? What is the song, guys? And I have a, you can laugh at me, but what is that song that goes running, 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 and running, running?
Oh,
That
yeah.
was-
What is that song?
Who sings that thing? I can't remember. Well, Tim, at least Tim's paying attention to the trades going on. Coach Wilbur.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right about that, Red.
That's a gavel. All right. Somebody said they were in at 550. Get your stop to 555. Lock in 5 ticks of profit. Who said they were 550? Who is in this? Who is in this trade? We are making money. I have 2 contracts left. Switch back to my money. Trying to make a little money here with you guys. Specifically Chad. And who was late? Somebody said they were late to the party today. This is your trade, guys. Who was late to the party? Do I have to look back through the whole thing to see who was late? Just tell me. Somebody said they were late to the party today. JW, I think. All right. You got in at 552? All right. Oh, no, you should have a trailer, Jay. You should have a trailer. You should have one trailing now. We're going to move that trailer to 562. Lock in profits. Okay. Follow my stops, guys. I'm telling you what to do. You enter, again, I specifically said, after we reach the high, any trade you enter it as if it were a scalp trade. Be easy on your stops. Don't take a lot of risk. And then when you get into money, you can move your stops. Very clean hook on stochastics here, guys. If you look at the 133 chart, smooth ride down, smooth hook up. That was exactly what we were looking for to get into the trade. That's exactly what I said, guys. So you should be profitable in this trade, no matter where you got in, whether it was the midpoint of the W around 564. You want to take that midpoint of the W, some of you got in around the 550 level. No way possible you should be in the red or stopped out right now. There is no way. No way. All right. Switch to Simpri. So Jay, we need to work on your stop management, sir. You've got to use these little prior swing points as your stops when you enter these trades. 20 ticks isn't going to cut it. All right, now we can move. Let's get our stop up to 573 for those of you with one contract left. 573. I have 2 left still. Yes. Yes, I did, Tim. Tim, now answer this question. Why did I go back to cash? I said specifically what I was waiting for. Did it or did it not happen? Yep. And it just so happens a first touch rule, a W, the holy grail of trades for us. We had 3 trade setups in one happen at the same time. There's no way I'm not going to take that in cash. Do a trade log, JW. Fill out your trade log. JW, my advice would be to upgrade yourself to the pro level for a couple months so that you can get some coaching. Okay. That would be my advice. Upgrade to the pro level for a couple months so you can get in coaching, get in class. We'll take a look at those in the coaching, in the group coaching sessions. And we call it office hours now. So guys, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, office hours are on the calendar. They tell you exactly where to go to for office hours. And we're going to be at, some of you are going to be flat. I'm going to have 1 left. Ooh, didn't get me. And flat on that 1 contract. We got 1 left. Just can't break that high, guys. So now, if you guys look at it, we have a bigger M forming on the 2 minutes. Stochastics are high across the board. About to get my last contract. Boom, flat. So now we know, we have a really good idea that we could be settling into a what, guys? Good job, Claire. Have a great one. Yes. So what did we say? I'm going to be nicer than coach. What did we say if we settle into a little range? See you, Monica. Great job. We settle into a range, guys. This is a small range. You could do. All right, Joy. Okay, Joy. See you later. See ya. Range mountain. You could do what? We said it this morning already. Is anybody listening to me, or is everybody saying their byes to everybody? Bye, everybody. Love you. See you back tomorrow. Come on, guys. There we go, Denise. We could settle into 2-way trading now. Hey, now you guys got it. Yep. And you want to be looking at it as scalp trades. Until this range breaks, we could play tick, tick, boom. Take a low tick read long with a low stochastics, and you should be able to get 10 ticks pretty easy. So no 20-point stop outs. We are not taking a Crable trade today. I don't like the Crable trade. I only do it when coach forces me to.
Good morning, traders. I am back.
We lost a bunch of money while you were gone.
Nah, I don't believe it. Now, let's see. Nothing happened other than the market gone up quite a bit, huh? Wow.
Yep. We caught a 100-point runner just as you stepped out the door.
Hey, well, I had good news. He's, unless something dramatic happens, the surgery definitely should be cleared by October 10th to go anywhere, and it's going to give me steroids and stuff. So there should be no problems. We're good to go.
So you're gonna look like Lou Ferrigno or somebody like that?
Yeah, paint green, the whole thing.
Good news, Coach. Good news.
Thank you. Yeah. And they have that precaution, for a couple of months you can't travel because there's some people, their backs are really deteriorated. There are other health issues, and he wants me walking like a mile the day after the second surgery. So the only issue would be, like you said, if you take a long drive, probably every hour get out and move around for about 10 or 15 minutes, just so there's no clotting and stuff like that. But otherwise, everything looks pretty good. Good to go. I'm trying to figure out some support in here. I guess you guys were buying a little lower. It looks like 1030 reversal is still in effect, and maybe we get down to like the 460 level.
Somebody did say that earlier.
Yeah. I can imagine. I did have one cup of coffee, but not a second one yet. Well, we are oversold on the 133 chart. 2 minute, not yet. I have to resist the urge to, get back in and trade, and jump in just like anybody else. You miss out, and the first thing you think of is, wow, I got to make some money here. But I look at it as, let's say I was over anxious and went long at 590, I'd be hurting right now. And we got our 552 target, I see. Wow. Everybody amazed, especially newer people? Great. And it's funny too, guys. One of the few things that sets stock index trading off from other futures are things like the ticks, where you could see buying and selling programs. What do you think, guys, when you opened up this morning when I wasn't here, right? 1,038 plus tick reading. Of course, it came down a little, but that sort of was the hint.
It's the first thing that we talked about, Coach.
Yeah. Topped out 1052. So about 11. About 11:15 to 11:20, we should bottom again. Is anybody in a trade?
I would.
Yeah, Brian, you would need for tick day data, you need to get in touch with, if you're using Ninja Trader charts, the data, you add that to your basically your platform. I forget, I think it's like $5 a month or something like that.
$8. It's the
$8.
first one. If you do customized data, the first drop down under market internals is the one you want.
Yeah.
Clear in the description, it says tick, T-I-C-K.
I didn't write down my volatility. What is it? 164, I think.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. All right. 164. Guys, you see where it made the previous high, the overnight high, 456. There you go, right? $456 to $410 would be your buying zone, right? Everybody's green.
Oh, yeah. No, we got to get Chad. Chad didn't follow the rules this morning.
Chad's the lone wolf. That's
Chad is the lone wolf.
all right.
We'll get Chad green. Yep.
There's always one.
Get your green, Chad.
Yep. We got to get Chad green. And that would be a pullback, Chad, and a reversal. Once the market flushes out what it's doing now, obviously, it's flushing out those people who waited too long. I'm sure you guys had some nice buy signals. They just passed on them and then finally couldn't take it anymore once it hit 600. It was like, get me long. I want to get in there.
So we took our runner long, Coach. Had a 100-point runner.
Yeah.
We patiently waited for the pullback, took a first touch roll, and then we took a W trade. And those were the trades we took until you got here.
Perfect.
Yep. Easy trades. Should have been profitable for everybody.
A little bit lower. We get a nice buy signal here. I'll go in. Nice. Like they said, Price is Right. Come on down. Look to nibble around the 490 area.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Hope you really enjoyed the stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room to take our live trade calls and participate in chat to have your questions answered by a coach, visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. After the first 3 days, it's only $99 a month to be a part of the trade room, and you'll unlock some of our basic trading videos to learn our trading methodology.
Can't get my bid. I'll go
Please
mark
like,
it when
subscribe, and
it
share.
hooks up.